Basically this finger counting is for counting numbers till 99, right? Because we are having 10 fingers. So generally students say that we can count up to 10 on our 10 fingers, right? And that is truth even. They cannot count up to more than 10 on their 10 fingers, right? So, but with this finger counting method, they can count up to 99 on their 10 fingers. So this is like a magic for the students because they are able to count up to 99. Now we will see how can students count up to 99 on our 10 fingers, right? It is like a magic for the students. Again, I am saying it is like a magic or it is like a fun for the students. So how do we do it? If we have to make 9, first we will be starting from ones place, right? If we are having 2-digit numbers, 21, for example, 21. So 2 is a tens place number and 1 is ones place number, right? So tens place number on left hand, because if we see 21, we can see on the left hand side, 2 is on left hand side and 1 is on right hand side. So left hand side number is on left hand, right hand side number on right hand, right? So now first we will be starting from ones place. So ones place is right hand. Right hand is ones place. Okay, this is 1. You can repeat with me, both of you, on the right hand. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. Right? This is 4. This is 5. Thumbs up. Thumbs up is 5. This is not 5. This is 5 from now. अब से यही 5 है. This is 5. Right? This is 5. This is 6. 5 and 6. Right? This is 7. 5, 6, 7. This is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? This is 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right? So keep your right hand like this only. Now come to left hand. This is 1. We will do same on left hand as well. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, and 5. This is 5. Thumbs up is 5 from now. This is 6. This is 7, 8, 9. So 9 and 9, 99. Right? 9, 9, 99. This is 99. But we can make any number from 1 to 99. Right? 10, 11, 12, 21, 33, 54, 56, 78. We can make any number on our both hands on 10 fingers up to 99. Even we can add and subtract as well up to 99. Right? How? We made a single digit number, units place number on right hand. This is 9. Right? Now if we have to make 10, how to make? 1 is on tens place. Right? And 0 is on ones place now. So this is 1 on left hand, 1 is on left hand, and this is 0. 1, 0, 10. Right? This is 20, 2, 0, 20. This is 30, 3, 0, 30. This is 40. 4, 0, 40. This is 50. 5, 0, 50. 60. 70, 80, 90, 90, 90. Right? 11, 12, 22, 22, right? 2, 2, 22. If we have to make 12, how to make? 1 on left hand, because 1 is on tens place, and 2 on right hand. This is 1 to 12. If you see from your side, you are able to read it like this only, 1 to 12, right? So 1, 3, 13, 1, 5, 15. This is 55. 5, 5, 55. Okay? This is 6, 5, 6. This is 2, 62. 6, 5, 6, 6, 2, 62. Okay? 5, 3, 53. 5, this is 5, this is 353. 77. We do like this. Yo karte na aise. So this is yo 77. 7, 7, 77. 99. 44. 32. 32, 32. Okay. 6, 9, 69. This is 9 on the left hand, 9 and 3, 93. 93. Right? We can do addition, subtraction as well in this. How? This is 11. For example, this is 11. Now add 11 in 11. Now add 11 in 11. What we do? Open one finger in left hand, open one finger in right hand. So it is 22, simple. We don't have to do anything. Students don't have to do anything. So 2 to 22. 22 plus 51. 22 plus 51. 5. Open 5 in left hand and open 1 in right hand. So this is 5, 6, 7, 73. Right? This is so quick. Even a first class KG class student can do with this method. Right? This is 51. 51. Right? 51. Add 22 in 51. So 2, open 2 fingers here and 2 fingers here. This is 73. Right? And if we have to subtract 70, 77 minus 11, 77 minus 11, close one finger or one finger close here, one finger close here. So 66. Simply what you have to do, just for addition, open the folded fingers, and for subtraction, close the open fingers. Right? So students like it a lot. This is a very interesting method for the students, and most importantly, our hands are like abacus tool. See, this is 5. In abacus tool, upper beat is 5 and 1, 1, 1, 1. These are lower beats. This is like lower beats. 1, 1, 1, 1. In abacus, on one rod, we make 9. Right? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And on our hand also, we are making 9 on one hand. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So if children learn finger counting, one abacus tool is every time they are with them.
Yes, ma'am.
They can carry this abacus tool anywhere. Right? So they like it a lot. This is a very, very interesting and helpful method for the students.